Discover the magical world of Nasiol. Nasiol is the world's leading producer of surface protection solutions, using the latest developments in nanotechnology. Our nano coatings offer a variety of benefits for almost any surface, but the most common benefits are hydrophobicity, oleophobicity, easy to clean, stain resistance, anti-corrosion, mold resistance, antimicrobial and antiviral, chemical and UV resistance, renovation, anti-graffiti and scratch resistance. Whichever surface you want protection for, we have the solution. Hydrophobic and oleophobic transparent coating for glass and ceramic. Thermoset, thermoplastic, metals and alloys, composite materials. Renovative coating for exterior-interior plastic and painted surfaces. Stain-resistant nano coating for all types of textiles, suede and nubuck surfaces. Water and oil repellent nano protective coating for natural and artificial leather. Breathable coating for absorbent mineral surfaces and natural stones, concrete, roof wall and floor tiles, sculptures. Dirt repellent nano coating for absorbent, porous and natural wooden surfaces. Temporary film coating for all appropriate non-absorbent surfaces. White, opaque, and flexible superhydrophobic nano coating for various surfaces. Rust and corrosion-resistant nano coating for metals and alloys. Flexible film coating for PPF. Antiviral, antimicrobial coating for all types of surfaces. Easy to clean and transparent anti-graffiti coating for non-porous and hard surfaces. For more information, you can reach out. Nasiol.com